Have you ever thought about importing products from China but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've heard stories of people building successful businesses by importing products, but you've also heard horror stories about scams, shipping delays, and unexpected costs. The good news is that importing from China is not as complicated as many people think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding a supplier all the way to getting your products delivered to your door. Let's get started with your importing journey today. Before you contact any supplier, you need to know exactly what you're buying. Ask yourself, is there demand for this product? Can you make a profit after shipping and import costs? Are there any special regulations or restrictions? One mistake many beginners make is focusing only on the product price. Remember, your real cost includes product cost, shipping, customs duties, taxes, and delivery charges. Always calculate your total landed cost before placing an order. Once you've chosen a product, it's time to find suppliers. Popular sourcing platforms include Alibaba, MadeInChina.com, and global sources. When contacting suppliers, introduce yourself professionally. Request product specifications and ask about minimum order quantities. Request pricing and ask about production lead times. Don't immediately choose the cheapest supplier. Evaluate communication, responsiveness, and professionalism as well. Before placing a large order, always request samples. This allows you to verify product quality, packaging, materials, and functionality. A sample may cost extra, but it's much cheaper than receiving a full shipment of products that don't meet your expectations. Never skip this step. It is absolutely essential for your success. One of the most important parts of importing is understanding the Incoterm. Common Incoterms include EXW, FOB, CIF, and DDP. If you're new to importing, FOB is often easier to manage because the supplier handles transportation to the port and export procedures. The Incoterm determines who pays for what, who is responsible for transportation, and when risk transfers from seller to buyer. Many costly mistakes happen because buyers don't fully understand the chosen Incoterm. Once production is complete, you'll need to arrange transportation. Ocean freight is best for large shipments and lower transportation costs. The trade-off is slower transit times. Air freight is best for urgent shipments and higher value products. The trade-off is that it's more expensive. Most businesses work with a freight forwarder to coordinate the shipping process. A freight forwarder helps arrange transportation, documentation, and logistics services. When your shipment arrives in the United States, it must go through customs clearance. Typical documents include commercial invoice, packing list, and bill of lading or airway bill. Depending on the product, additional documentation may be required. Customs duties and fees may also apply. Many importers use a customs broker or freight forwarder to help manage this process. After customs clearance, the shipment is released for delivery. Depending on your shipping arrangement, cargo may be delivered to your warehouse, your business location, or a fulfillment center. At this point, inspect the shipment carefully. Check quantity, condition, and packaging. If there are issues, report them immediately. Before placing your first order, here are a few final tips. Verify your supplier and always request samples. Understand the Incoterm and calculate your total landed cost. Work with a reliable freight forwarder and make sure your documents are accurate. Importing from China can be a great way to build a business, but success comes from preparation and understanding the process. Let's recap. The basic importing process is choose a product, find a supplier, and request samples. Understand the Incoterm, arrange shipping, clear customs, and finally, receive your cargo. Once you understand these steps, importing becomes much less intimidating. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more freight forwarding, logistics, and international trade content. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest question you have about importing from China? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.